I'm Richard Tomlinson. In this video, I want to show you the proper way to filter maple syrup to avoid sugar sand, niter, and generally cloudy looking maple syrup. Niter and sugar sand are precipitates that are formed in maple syrup as a natural part of the boiling process. These particles are not harmful to consume, and you don't need to remove them if you don't want to. However, if you want crystal clear maple syrup, you will need to filter it in order to remove these very small particles. We're going to assume that you have already done the bulk of your maple syrup boiling, and now you're in the final stages. I recommend filtering in 3 steps. The first step should be done when the bulk of the water has been boiled away, and you begin to notice the temperature of your syrup is climbing several degrees above the boiling point of water in your area, say around 213 or 214 degrees Fahrenheit at standard atmospheric conditions. Use a simple non-woven mesh filter to remove the larger particles. Then continue boiling the sap until the temperature reaches 3 degrees above the boiling point of water, 215 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, use a simple non-woven filter to remove the larger particles. Continue boiling until the syrup is finished, generally at 219 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees above the boiling point of water, or 66 brix. Next, and this is an important step, allow the syrup to cool to 190 degrees Fahrenheit before performing the final filtering. This is important because the chemical process that creates these precipitates is still occurring in the syrup anytime the temperature is above 190 Fahrenheit. For the final filtering, use a synthetic filter made for filtering maple syrup. I'll put a link to one such filter in the video description. Moisten the synthetic filter with hot water. It should be damp, but not dripping. Don't wring out the synthetic filter, as that can damage the fibers. Keep the synthetic filter as hot as possible to aid in the speed of filtering. Place 3 of the non-woven filters inside of the synthetic filter, and begin pouring the syrup through the filters. As the top filter begins to clog, remove it, and continue pouring syrup through the remaining filters. Continue this until all of the syrup has been filtered. As the syrup cools, it will take longer and longer to filter through, so try to work quickly and keep things warm. When the filtering is done, pour the filtered syrup into clean jars and seal them. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please subscribe to view my other videos on making maple syrup. For more details on this and other topics related to maple syrup, check out the How to Make Maple Syrup podcast, wherever you get your podcasts from. I'll include a link to the podcast in the show notes. Thanks for watching.